What is Printify? To simply put it, Printify is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to create and design different print-on-demand products and then integrate with other platforms that allow you to sell. Platforms like YouTube through Shopify, platforms like Etsy directly, platforms like Amazon directly, platforms like Facebook Shop, TikTok Shop through Shopify. So that is what Printify is. It is a platform. It is not a service provider. It is just a platform. So basically, Printify brings together different service providers under one umbrella. We have people like Adidas even as service providers within Printify, and different service providers. Some people providing candles, other people supplying jewelry, other people apparel, shoes, different things you can get on Printify. So it is a platform that was established in 2015. It's not really old. One of the youngest platforms we have, one of the youngest platforms we have, print-on-demand platforms we have in the world, with an annual revenue of between 100 million to 200 million US dollars. So it's making good money. It's a good platform. People are loving this platform. I'm talking about 5 million monthly visitors, 5 million plus monthly visitors as a platform, as for people using that platform to connect and sell. One of the best things about Printify is that it has low fees. You can actually start with the no monthly plan fee. You can start integrate, but the problem is it's actually free to start. But how are you going to integrate this to platforms like, if you want to sell on YouTube, you want to sell on TikTok, you want to sell on Facebook, you have to go through Shopify. And that's where the expense comes in. And I really hope and pray, and I know very soon, very soon, Printify can actually enable direct integration with social media platform, because they already have the pop-up shops. So if you can connect the pop-up shop with social media, so you do not go through Shopify, most sales for everyone. So you can really start for free if you want, free here, and for the platforms that allow you to connect for free. On Etsy, you can connect for free without a website. On Amazon, you can connect for free and sell your products and stuff there. On eBay, you can connect for free and sell products in different platforms. On ecommerce, you can do that, so that you can sell on WordPress. You can do that for free. But you need what you're connecting to needs to be free as well, so that you do not incur those costs. As I said, Shopify, WooCommerce, hosting, it's expensive, but on Etsy, it's free. When it comes to the premium plan, they do have a premium plan at $29, and it gives you 20% off of the product. So if something is being sold for $18, you can get it about around $15 or something like that at an amazing price, which is good. It means more profits and more royalties to you at the end of the day, more money for you. The best thing about Printify is that they allow you to set up your prices. At the end of the day, as a business person, you need to mark up. You need to know where you're getting your revenue from. And the beauty about Printify is that it allows you to select the pricing. It allows you to mark up things. And I'm saying this passionately for products like jewelry. Products like jewelry on Printify, you can connect and sell jewelry which is less than $20. You can sell it for more than $50 because you decide the pricing, you decide the markup. It is crazy. Check jewelry. Jewelry is amazing on Printify. Now, talking about the product range, they have a wide product range of apparel, accessories, home and living products, and different products. Some of the products that do stand out for me that I have seen working wonders, especially on the internet spaces, on Shopify. I've been on Etsy, on TikTok shops and Facebook shop, are the candles. Candles do sell a lot, and Printify has amazing wax candles. They sell really well. Also jewelry sells a lot. The message card jewelry, they sell like a lot. Check it out. And I think Awkward Styles are providing on Printify, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, another thing to note about Printify is the target audience. They do target small to medium-sized businesses. So this is not something that a beginner, someone who just wake up and start getting into the business. It requires you to stay in the industry for a few years, for you to understand the cracks of the industry, for you to start in platforms like TeePublic, then get to platforms like Zazzle, then get your own Shopify store. Then I don't know. Yeah, that's how you should grow. Do not think you'll just start and immediately get into this. You need to get some experience, some meat in the game. If you do not do that, you're going to burn a lot of cash. You're going to burn a lot. This industry requires experience. It requires time. So some small to medium-sized businesses, it is a business. You need to register for you to work using Printify. You need to have a business account to link it up with Printify, because Printify cannot deliver if you haven't paid them. In as much as it's free, it is free until you ask Printify to deliver. Now they'll ask you, yo, bring the money first. So what you do, you link your bank to Printify. So when you link up your Printify to Etsy or these other platform, when someone makes an order, immediately cash is removed from your bank account, paid to Printify. Printify now delivers as you are waiting for the cash to clear from Etsy to your account. So that's the technicality about it. We talked about in the video, we talked about the differences between active and passive print on demand. If you haven't watched it, please make sure you watch that video. It's very, very important, separating this to an understanding. Another thing, the target audience, they're really targeting individual entrepreneurs. They're not targeting a lot of big companies or big people, are really targeting individuals and people who are just starting out, people who have the money, have the time, and have the drive, have the will, and have the energy, the thirst just for financial and just for freedom and just having and running your own business. I think that space, that is what and who Printify is targeting. Talking about the pros about Printify, the good things about Printify, you do not have upfront fees. So if you're starting out on places like Etsy, you do not have the upfront fees. Starting out from places that allow you to connect for free, you do not have upfront fees. This is the best thing about Etsy. I mean, Printify. I think they also have a pop-up shop that you can start for free. Start your own shop with a custom Printify URL and then just start selling. They're linked up on your social media. Start selling on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on X, wherever you have eyeballs. You can make money from it. And I think it's very easy to use. So if you've ever done print on demand, this is the beauty about this industry. All the design, all the uploading softwares and all the design software in this industry kind of like look the same. They almost look, all of them are just almost the same. So it's really easy. And I think the easiest is actually TeePublic. So if you start your print on demand journey with how TeePublic simplifies the upload process and everything is just the same. If you learn with TeePublic, you'll have understood how Match by Amazon, how Etsy and all these other platforms work. It's just different naming and wordings, but just the same thing. So another pro about Printify is that they have a large network of providers. So you see, one of the challenges in this industry of print on demand is if someone orders a product, maybe candles or maybe jewelry, and the provider doesn't have that particular item in stock at the moment. Now, Printify, the beauty about having different service providers, it has different providers of the same thing. So if this provider does not have it, you can as easily just tell Printify using through your dashboard at the back end, just enable them to automatically choose a provider who best suits and who can best deliver what the other provider couldn't deliver. So that's why a lot of people love this the business model, because if you're on a business trip, or if you're on a holiday and you're selling a lot of t-shirts and then your provider can't deliver, there's a delay, Printify automatically handle that, and they flip providers. If there's a delay, I don't know, anything can happen, rains, floods, catastrophes, you never know, anything might happen, an emergency, and they can't deliver. So Printify automatically flips and give you another provider, and the provider delivers. That's the beauty about this business model. That's why people love Printify. Integration with major e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce, like Shopify, like Etsy, as I said, like eBay, like Amazon. This are pluses, huge pluses for Printify. The demerits, the cons about Printify, things you should know. The quality can vary depending on the service provider. I said different service providers, different quality as well. That's another product problem. But the beauty about this, you can have Printify gives you a chance to select the providers that you will solely work for. So if there's an issue, you can pre-select the providers they should flip to. You can automatically leave it for Printify to handle, which I do not suggest you do that. But also gives you a chance to select a few that will only flip between them. So that's the con. Quality might vary because different providers have different printing machines, different colors, different fabrics, t-shirt products. It's crazy. Another con about Printify is slower shipping times, because some providers are far away from others. Some providers use different service providers, different shipping routes, different shipping times, different shipping zones. So that's a challenge about Printify. So you might, your client might order a t-shirt or a product that says it will come in like, I don't know, a day or two. And then something happens, and then they change the provider, flip to a provider who's miles away, who would take 2 more days to deliver. So this is something you need to be very cognizant about when you're getting into this industry. Last but not least, customer service not always reliable. They handle a lot of people. I'm talking about 5 million plus visitors. This is monthly. So they have so many clients. Printify have so many clients. The customer care, it's crazy. It's like calling your internet service provider or your mobile service broadband provider in your own country, whatever. It's crazy. Getting to the customer service line, it's crazy. So that is Printify in a nutshell. The key takeaways about Printify. You can go on the website, check it out. But I thought it's very, very important just to have this key takeaways about this website before getting into this. Because I really searched for somewhere I could get all this information I'm giving and really didn't get it holistically like this in just one page, simple to understand for you to take a screenshot and everything. So yeah, tell me if you found value in this. Please subscribe, give me a like, comment, share, and tell me what you think. If you want to learn more about print on demand, about Printify, if you're new, if you're 100% new and you want to start this print on demand game, I highly suggest that you get to my live webinar class right now. Scan this code. It's not a Printify class. It's 100% for newbies. If you want to start, you can start on Printify. But if you want to start on Printify, yeah, check it out. My pinned comment takes you to Printify. You can get a special offer on that link. Get it out. Yeah. Thank you very much for joining today's lesson. My good name is XT, your favorite print on demand coach. And thank you for the privilege. Thank you for the privilege of your time joining me today. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.